Hey, and welcome to the Guy Who Sews channel. Today we're going to do clue 9, the penultimate clue of the Tree of Life puzzle mystery quilt by Cotton Cuts. I am doing a large in the purple mist. It's all a series of boutiques by Hoffman. I love all these beautiful fabrics. Stick with me, we'll see it all come together in just a few moments and we'll show you the completed sections at the very end. And like that, we are all done with clue 9. Let's take a look at the 4 sections we did this time. I think 4 is the most I've ever done in one clue. This is block 4 at 9A. I'll get it right in a minute. This one came together super quickly. And then its cousin 9B, very, very similar to this part's a little bit longer. So if you take a look at them together, you can see this one just has a little bit of a longer tail. Block C was a little more complex, but it actually went together pretty quickly, and I got it all together without having to pull up my very, very bestest friend, Jack the Seam Ripper. I love all these colours together. It's going to look so wonderful when this quilt's all put together. And then finally, Block D, and I don't know that I've seen fabric F and A together before, but I really, really like this, and that may be my favourite combination so far. Let me know in the comments which combination of fabrics together you've liked so far the best in this series as well. Well, that is pretty much it for today, but come back next month, the first Friday in November at 2 p.m. Eastern over on the Cotton Cut site, where we're going to do the big reveal where we all show the completed quilt tops. I will be participating along with a lot of the other ambassadors, and then I'll also show a time-lapse on my channel shortly thereafterwards of this all going together as well. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, definitely hit that like button, tell a friend, and I always love hearing comments from my viewers. I hope you'll have a great day, happy sewing, and we'll see you next time. Bye.